Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Bridgeport Series 1 2J variable speed milling machine. It has a 2 horsepower motor. It's currently wired for 230 but can be rewired for 460. It was made in 1983. Standard 5-inch quill travel, R8 spindle, power feed. It's really clean. Carousel collet rack. Table has a few drill marks in it, but nothing very serious. Has 2 work lamps on it. Servo X-axis power feed. Stop works. Top of the knee is in fantastic condition. Appears to have most of the flaking left. To about 6 thousandths backlash on the Y. About the same on the X. 1-shot lube. Dials are really clean and crisp. Educated nut. Back gear. Thanks for looking.